Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to turn it off by holding the power key. Once it's off, hold power and volume down at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode, so in here using volume keys to navigate, you want to select recovery mode, which will be visible right here. There we go, and then confirm it with power key. Now before we actually boot into recovery mode, you will be blocked by this page right here, so all you need to do is to pass this is hold power key and press volume up once, and as you can see we are now in the recovery mode. Now in here you again need to navigate using volume keys, and power key will be again used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can reboot back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back, enter fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So that's basically all we have here. So I'm now gonna leave this mode by sticking with the first option. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.